Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Mechleen and I am an international finance and control student at Fontes. I've been asked to share two topics that I've understood so far with the new program that I'm following, which is so much fun, interesting, and I would like to share my small knowledge with you. I'm going to talk about the financial market, the type of the financial market, types, and some analysis of it. To start, there was a question that grabbed my attention, and this was from one of my lecturer recently. And he asked, "Is there a market for an X product?" And then I was thinking about it. I'm like, okay. So he followed by saying, meaning, do you have an opportunity to sell this product somewhere? Are there people interested in your product? And these questions are really meaningful to think about it. Let's talk about the financial market. Financial market is a transaction between two individuals or companies or parties in general, as we also have multiple participants such as clothing market, fruits market, shopping center, second-hand market, and so on. The financial market is a marketplace where the buying and selling of securities occurs. What does security mean? Security refers to financial instruments that represent a form of ownership or investment in a company or government entity. Example of that: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange trade funds, and options. These securities are traded in the financial market, where investors buy and sell them in order to earn returns on their investment. By buying securities, investors are essentially purchasing a stake in the underlying company or entity, and they may earn dividends, interest payment, or a capital gain depending on the type of security and the performance of the underlying asset. Let's talk about the type of financial market. Of course, there are many types of financial markets, but I'm going to mention some of them, and they might be known by most of us. Stock market is a place where shares in companies are traded, and these companies has to be public listed. Some of them pay dividend to their investors. Bond market are safer and lower risk than the stock market. In the past, it was known that only government issued these bonds, but nowadays there are also some companies that issue these bonds, and bond has a fixed income. A commodity market, think about the natural resources such as gold, grain, oil, and so on. Cryptocurrency market, which is so common nowadays as well, is a digital marketplace where investors can buy and sell various cryptocurrencies such as Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even way more. For each market, there are analyses and tools that should be used in order to have full understanding on what you are doing, why are you doing it, and where should you do it. This leads me to the second topic that I want to discuss with you, which is one of the useful tool and technique used in analyzing the financial market, which is TradingView. TradingView is a widely held web-based platform for traders and investors that provides real-time data, charting tools, and a social network for traders to share ideas and strategies. The platform offers a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, futures, currencies, cryptocurrencies, even way more than that, from markets around the world. Trading views charting tool, as we can see now in my screen, allow users to analyze market trends and make trading decisions based on technical analysis. Keep this term in your head. I'm coming back to that. The charts can be customized with a variety of indicators, drawing tools, and chart types, including candlesticks, line, bar, and more. So I'm using here in this sheet a Coca-Cola chart. Let's have a look at it. And let me explain what you're seeing here. On the left side, we have the drawing tools, as mentioned before, that helps you to analyze the market. Right on above it, there we have our indicators, and it has the same feature. On the middle here, we can see candlesticks and volume, while on the right side of the chart, we have price. Of course, you are wondering, what about the time frame, right? Don't you worry, I got you. The time frame is right in the bottom bar, and you can see what is happening in the market from 1 second to 1 year time frame. We call this a trading period. Now let's talk a bit about this candlestick and what does it mean. Candlestick shows price activity of a period of time. The box, as here I put in the red, is the body candle. We call it the body candle. And the two sticks that are vertically on the top and the bottom of the body, we call it wicks. Wicks also have a rule of representing the activity of the buyers and sellers. In this candle, we can see the opening and closing price. As I have drawn to in this box, let's have a look at an example of these 4 sticks in the small box. The first candle has an opening price, and it was around $63.40, and a closing price at approximately $63.80. So the closing price of this candle has to be an opening price to the next candle, and the second candle closing price has to be an opening price to the third candle, and so on and so forth. And as you can see also, we have 2 colors candlestick. A green candlestick indicates that the closing price of the asset was higher than the opening price, which suggests that there was more buying pressure than selling pressure at that period of time. While the red stick indicates that the closing price is lower than the opening price, meaning that there were more selling pressure than buying pressure during that period of time. And of course, you are asking yourself, all right, what about this volume? Volume refers to the total amount transacted between the buyers and sellers. In addition, price and volume give you a historical view on what an asset was valued in the past. Of course, you are still wondering, what does technical analysis mean, right? Okay, besides what I have just explained, technical analysis involves using charts and indicators to identify patterns and trends in market behavior and to make prediction about future price movements. Traders and investors use technical analysis to help them identify entry and exit points for their trades and to manage risk in their portfolios. Let me just jump to the second question that I have been asked, which is that I should choose a subject that I struggle with and explain which part I want to understand. Last week, I've gotten an assignment on my portfolio on investing strategies, and honestly speaking, that was for me like a shock, because they were asking me to explain extensively and creatively an investment strategy, having in my capital or my starting capital is at €100,000. And I have also to mention in detail the motive behind each of my investment decisions. And that was for me a little bit difficult because I don't have enough instrument yet to use it. There still has to be or have to be a lot of things to learn about, to get to know, and also taking into consideration risk management that I still don't know anything about it. So the thing is that it was like in my let me see second week of starting, and then I've been asked to do this, and I was like, I didn't do it though yet, but I am on my way there, and that's what I really want to learn or understand even more. Because my research that I do still not enough. I need more explanation about it. The last question was like, tell us about a subject that you want to learn and why. There is no specific subjects, honestly speaking, not even one. And that's why I've chosen this amazing program to enter, to start fintech trading and investing in the Hague University, because that was my dream since I was even like that's 10, 12 years old. I am so happy for choosing this program, and I am looking forward to learning more, to gaining more knowledge about it, and that is the best decision I've ever made. I hope you enjoyed my small explanation, and maybe you get something useful out of that. I might see you in the next video. You never know. Cheers!